I go by the name of Moseax, and if this is your first time you're watching my videos, kindly subscribe. Yes, so I'm doing my third random vlog. I'm somewhere in Elementaita. I think I've come to this place for the second time. It's a beautiful place in Elementaita and it's Inka Gardens. I'm loving every bit of the Moseaxing season 3.
Yeah, everything I do is a lifestyle.
Showtime. What?
You know I hate it when you're silent, baby. Hey, you know I need you, baby. You know I can't sleep without you, baby. Why you gonna leave me, baby? You know you
Yeah, it is.
Tuanzie hapa, we are 5 people, kila mtu atachoose yake. And then kila mtu atalipwa salary ya 2,000 as we are starting. So you'll have some money.
Yes.
To spend when you're playing the game. Spend fine. No. Kuna is there like mtu ajui?
Bora nyinyi mjue kucheza hiki.
Umejua lakini kitu ni complex. So the idea is kama ningeangukia four chances. You choose your so you still have to buy material. For now